Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lily and I am back with another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I do my garlic buttery shrimp. And to get started, these are the ingredients I use. So come on over here, let me show you. Of course, I have the super colossal shrimp from Walmart. I have my chopped chives, my crushed red pepper, my garlic powder, my onion powder, my minced garlic, my accent, my Lawry seasoned salt, and some black pepper. I have 3 sticks of butter. If you don't want to use 3 sticks, you don't have to. So over here, I have my pan preheating. I'm going to go ahead and drop my butter in the pan. And we're just going to let that sear. So I got 2 sticks of butter searing. I'm just going to get a fork here. I jumped into this video and didn't even get my cooking utensils. But we're going to let that butter sear. And I cannot find my tongue. And you want to do this on medium heat. Now that my butter is searing pretty good, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. And I have about 20 shrimp here. I don't know if I'm going to use them all. I do want to have space, so I'm able to flip the shrimp. And I did this kind of backwards actually, but it's all to the good. My pan is spinning like a ballerina, but that's okay. I think my pan is bowing. So to that, I'm going to go ahead and add my accent. However much you want. I'm going to add my light Lawry seasoned salt. I'm going to add my onion powder. I'm going to add my crushed red pepper. Go back in the room, honey. Sorry, y'all, that's my grandbaby. Her mom is supposed to have her in the room. I'm going to add my chopped chives. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic powder. And this is where I drown it with the garlic powder, y'all, because I do heavy on the garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and add my minced garlic. So, let me grab another one. I'm going to go ahead and add my minced garlic. I'm going to stir that round. Can you tell her to please shut up, and I'm doing my video. And that's what you're working with. This is a rather large pan, so those spices and seasonings are really searing. And we're gonna let those cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on one side. However you like your shrimp. You don't want to cook them too long. I use the Walmart shrimp because they're very tasty. They're the best. And they don't really get chewy or rubbery. And they taste like chicken. Now, I'm going to go ahead and flip these shrimp. Flip them, turn them, whatever. Take your time and, oh y'all, if y'all can smell this. If y'all can smell this right now, all that garlic and butter. I'm just gonna get my pan a spin because for some reason my pan is kind of like bowing or something. I'm going to top that off with a little bit more chives. Oh, that was a lot more. It's all to the good. A little bit more red pepper. I like them spicy. You can use whatever seasonings you like, you know. Like, there's really not a set amount of anything. It's whatever seasoning you like. Like, me myself, I don't use Old Bay or my garlic shrimp. I don't do that. Now I do have the peppery shrimp that I do. I use that on them sometimes. I use the Old Bay on that, the peppery shrimp sometimes, but not on my garlic buttery shrimp. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. When I tell y'all that is as good as it looks, somebody can seriously hurt themselves. OMG. Gosh, guys, that smells wonderful. Yes, yes, yes. Give my pan another little spin. I like this pan. It spins fairly easy. If you want it to cook a little bit more on one side, hey, go ahead and flip it again. It's whatever you want. It's your meal, the way you want it. Don't let nobody tell y'all how to cook y'all stuff. So these are gonna still sear for about 30 to 45 more seconds. And I'm gonna take them and garnish it off and set it up and show you the end results. So I'll be right back. And these are your end results. I put some lemons and limes on the side and garnished it off with a little bit of parsley. Oh my gosh, so delicious. And we're gonna tear these up. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification on so you know every time I post a video. For all my newcomers, I thank you for subscribing to my channel, and you guys have a good one.